Did you know that rhubarb isn't just a deliciously tart addition to your meals, but also a powerhouse of antioxidants? In this video, we'll uncover how this unique plant can help boost your health by fighting oxidative stress, supporting your immune system, and offering a range of other health benefits. Stay tuned to learn how rhubarb can become your next favorite superfood. Rhubarb is a plant with a fascinating history, versatile uses, and some surprising scientific properties. It has been cultivated for centuries for its medicinal and culinary applications, though its history as a food has undergone various transformations. The plant's large, broad leaves are often discarded because they contain toxic compounds like oxalic acid, but the edible stalks have a tart, sour flavor and are typically used in desserts, jams, and sauces. Rhubarb's unique sourness is due to the presence of organic acids like malic acid, which contributes to its complex flavor profile. In many cultures, it's paired with sweeter ingredients like sugar or strawberries to balance its sharpness. While rhubarb's culinary applications are extensive, it is also widely recognized for its medicinal properties, particularly in traditional Chinese medicine, where it has been used for thousands of years to treat a range of ailments from digestive issues to inflammatory conditions. The roots of rhubarb are particularly sought after for their medicinal value, and compounds like anthraquinones in the root have demonstrated laxative properties. The science behind rhubarb's medicinal benefits is rooted in the bioactive compounds it contains. One such compound, anthraquinone, has been shown to influence gut health by stimulating peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that help move food through the digestive system. As a mild laxative, rhubarb can alleviate constipation, though care must be taken, as overuse can lead to dehydration or electrolyte imbalances. Another important bioactive compound found in rhubarb is stilbene, which exhibits antioxidant properties and may play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. The potential health benefits of rhubarb have been studied in modern research, and while it holds promise, it's crucial that rhubarb is consumed in moderation, especially in its raw form, due to the presence of compounds in the leaves that can be harmful. The chemistry of rhubarb, particularly in relation to its health effects, has led to a deeper interest in developing rhubarb-based supplements that can offer therapeutic benefits without the toxic risks associated with improper preparation. Beyond its medicinal and culinary uses, rhubarb is also a crop of agricultural interest. Its ability to thrive in various climates, especially in cooler regions, makes it a popular choice for farming. The growth cycle of rhubarb is fascinating. It is a perennial plant, meaning it regrows each year from the same root system. Farmers typically harvest the stalks in the early spring when the plant's growth is most vigorous, ensuring that the stalks are tender and have a concentrated flavor. Rhubarb cultivation, however, is not without challenges. It requires well-drained soil and consistent watering but can be sensitive to the onset of frost. Rhubarb also has a relatively long maturation period, with plants typically taking about 2 years to become fully established before they can be harvested. Despite these challenges, the potential for rhubarb to serve as both a food source and a valuable crop for farmers remains high, especially as demand for heirloom and unique crops continues to grow. Rhubarb's broader ecological role is also noteworthy, as it is part of the diverse plant life that contributes to soil health and biodiversity. While not as widely discussed as other crops, rhubarb is a robust plant that can provide ground cover, prevent erosion, and attract pollinators. Its large leaves also play a role in shading out weeds, providing a natural form of weed control in certain agricultural systems. The plant's resilience to cold weather and relatively low maintenance requirements make it an interesting candidate for sustainable farming practices. Additionally, the growing interest in using rhubarb as a sustainable, organic product in food and medicinal markets has prompted further research into its environmental impact and cultivation methods. The potential for rhubarb to be integrated into permaculture systems, where plants work in harmony with natural ecosystems, offers exciting possibilities for future agricultural practices. Despite its long history of use, rhubarb is still a plant of mystery in many ways. The science behind its various applications, from culinary to medicinal, is continually evolving, with research pushing the boundaries of our understanding of how this plant works at the molecular level. As modern science uncovers more about the chemistry of rhubarb and its potential health benefits, it is likely that new uses for the plant will continue to emerge. With ongoing studies on its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and laxative properties, rhubarb may one day be recognized as a staple not only in the kitchen but also in health and wellness practices. As we continue to explore the science behind this ancient plant, rhubarb's legacy as both a food and medicine is bound to grow, offering new insights into how nature's offerings can benefit us in surprising and unexpected ways. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how rhubarb's antioxidants can benefit your health, why not add it to your next dish? Whether you're making a tasty dessert or a healthy smoothie, rhubarb is a great way to enhance your meals and boost your wellness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more health tips and delicious recipes.